The volume of fluid that moves in a hydraulic system stays constant, but it can move easily to other parts of the system to do work. We call this force transfer. When the output force becomes bigger than the input force, we say there is force multiplication. If the output force is less than the input force, we say that force division takes place. The two syringes in this diagram will be referred to as cylinders with pistons. The cylinders are the same size. There is water in this system. Both cylinders have water in them. If the master cylinder is pushed a short distance, the water will move through the pipe and into the slave cylinder. The piston will move out by the same distance as the input piston. Force has been transferred from the input cylinder to the output cylinder. This process can be reversed. The output cylinder now becomes the input cylinder. The new input piston moves in by 2 centimeters. Force is transferred through the system and the new output cylinder will move by 2 centimeters. The cylinders are equal. The distance moved is the same both ways and the force required to move the pistons will be the same. There is no force multiplication or division. Let us look at a hydraulic system where the area of the input cylinder is half the area of the output cylinder. If we move the input piston 4 centimeters, we will see that the output piston moves only 2 centimeters. We will also find that it is easier to push the input piston. If we reverse the process and move the piston of the larger cylinder 2 centimeters, then we will see that the smaller piston will move 4 centimeters. We will also find it requires more force to push the larger piston. A small input cylinder area with a small input force moving over a longer distance becomes a large output force. This is because the cylinder is bigger, but the distance the piston moves is shorter. When that happens, we get force multiplication. When we reverse the process and the area of the output piston is smaller than the area of the input piston, then the output force is also less. However, the distance moved is more. This is when force division takes place. Let us use an example to explain this. An input force of 10 newtons in a cylinder area of 1 centimeter square is converted to an output force of 100 newtons in a cylinder of 10 centimeters square. But the input distance of 10 centimeters results in an output distance of only 1 centimeter. The force transfer in a hydraulic system is related to the area of the piston. The principle on which hydraulics works is known as Pascal's principle. Briefly, it states that the pressure exerted on one part of a closed hydraulic system will transfer equally in all directions to other parts of the system. It is named after a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.